Welcome to my kitchen today. I will take you on a tour and show you around. I will show you how the oven works. What can you find in the refrigerator? We will cook a dish using nuts, orange, and honey. We will then pair it with a suitable wine. We will also show you how to use different knives safely. Dishwashers are kitchen appliances that are used to clean dishes, pots, and pans. An electric oven is an oven that uses electricity to heat up food. It is a popular kitchen appliance that is used to bake, roast, and grill food. Pumpkin seeds are a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways in food preparation. Here are some ideas. 1. Toast the pumpkin seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for a crunchy snack. 2. Add them to salads or grain dishes for a nutty crunch. 3. Use them as a topping for oatmeal, yogurt, or ice cream. The most popular use of honey in food today is as a natural sweetener in baking and cooking. Honey is also used to sweeten beverages such as tea and coffee, and is often used as a topping for breakfast foods such as oatmeal, pancakes, and waffles. 1. Toast 2 slices of bread in a toaster. 2. Spread butter or margarine on each slice. 3. Sprinkle with cinnamon and sugar, if desired. 4. Enjoy your toasted bread. The main difference between a coffee machine and an espresso machine is the way in which the coffee is brewed. A coffee machine typically uses a filter to brew coffee, while an espresso machine uses pressure to extract a concentrated shot of espresso.